Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm at a home in Alexandria, Virginia that needs roof repair because they had a few different leaks. One is right above the valley area up near the ridge, and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Okay, now looking at the ridge vent, you can see everything looks perfect. No problems whatsoever. But the problem is, when it rains really heavy, the water bounces off the roof and it backs up underneath the shingles because the contractor who installed it, they never installed ice and water shield underneath. So what happens is the water can get underneath the shingles and then the water can seep right through the nails that's holding the shingles into place. So what we need to do is remove the ridge vent above this area, and then we're going to take off this line of shingles here. Then we're going to put the ice and water shield from here all the way up right to the open breather where it was cut. And then we're going to install new shingles, and then we're going to reinstall the ridge vent. And once you do that, this leak will not occur again. Now also, they have a leak next to this chimney, and they don't know it, but it's definitely there. And if I did an infrared scan, I will most certainly see the leak, possibly here, but very likely down there. And I'll show you why. Here, right there. You can see nails exposed right in the key. So the water's getting in through the key, and then the water's traveling through the side of the nail and going down the roof. And it's like this all over the place. See, there's another nail here. There's another nail here. Now, these nails should not be exposed. This nail, what they should have done is nail the flashing up high. Then this piece of flashing here would overlap the nail. So if I lifted up the shingles, I would see no nails exposed at all. Oh, well, yeah, the way they did the flashing here is just really bad. So what I would really recommend is to take this counter flashing off and step flashing, and then we'll install new. The rest of the chimney is good. The crown is up. Well, it really needs to be rebuilt. Also, these gutters are all clogged as well. The gutters would have to be cleaned out because the gutters are not draining properly. So not only is the water overflowing over the front, but also the water is going to go over the back. And you can see here it's clogged. The downspout here is all clogged. Let me just check the flashing over here. See what they did here. Yeah, it's okay. All right, again, my name is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair in Alexandria and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.